All right, on this next one, Math 8, comparing irrational numbers, we need to match up these three numbers right here with these 3 points right here. So let's look at letter D first. Letter D, we need a number that is just less than 9, okay? Well, if we take the square root of, first of all, the square root of 81 is a perfect square root. Square root of 81 would be right on 9. So if we want something just less than that, then we need something just less than the square root of 81. Square root of 80 seems to work perfect. Okay. I also like taking a look at the easy ones. Look at this f right here, right on 10. The square root of what number equals 10? You might say, oh, that would be 100. So this 100 right here should actually go down here to this f spot, because f will be the square root of 100. Then 3 times pi, which pi is 3.14, would put us in a good approximation for this letter E right here. So we would put those in the correct order. D lines up with square root of 80, E lines up with 3 pi, and F lines up with the square root of 100. All right, let's do another one here. Without a calculator, calculating these from least to greatest. All right, so first of all, pi is about 3.14. The cubed root of 27, what number times itself 3 times equals 27? That would be 3, so this one is 3. This one here is 3.14, so a little bit bigger. And then square root of 9, well, a square root of 8. First of all, we know the square root of 9 is 3, so square root of 8 is a little bit less than that, so it's got to be a little less than 3. So to put these in the correct order, it should go square root of 8, then it should go the cubed root of 27, which equals 3, and then pi would go last because that equals 3.14. So it should look like that right there. And then finally, we'll do one more here. We're going to match up these with the letters again. Here's another nice one. U is -5. Okay, so we know that the square root of 25 is 5, so we're going to leave that one right where it is. Then neither of these are perfect. Let's do the letter S next. We'll do this one, which is just a little bit more than -8. We know that 64, square root of 64 is 8, and since 68 is a little bit bigger than that, this one would be our one that's a little bit bigger than the -8. Which means that 2 times 3.14 is going to be like 6 point something for our t. So these should be in that order right there. That's all there is to it, guys. Good luck. Bye-bye.